NASA has recently captured and recorded actual sound in space. In space, there is a common misconception that it is completely silent. However, outer space is not as quiet as it seems. Solar wind, the continuous flow of charged particles from the sun, creates a constant hum in space. Mysterious radio signals known as cosmic whistlers can be heard in the depths of space. Gas giants like Jupiter produce deep rumbling sounds caused by their powerful electromagnetic fields. Collisions of asteroids and other celestial bodies generate sound waves, albeit highly distorted. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of stars, release shockwaves that can be captured as sound. When different sounds of space are combined, they create an eerie and mesmerizing symphony. NASA's spacecraft carry specialized instruments to record these sounds while exploring the cosmos. The recorded sounds from space can be unsettling and unfamiliar to our human ears. Studying and analyzing these sounds helps scientists deepen their understanding of the universe. Listening to the recorded sounds from space leaves us in awe of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Such discoveries inspire future space exploration and push scientific boundaries. NASA's recordings of sound in space provide us with a deeper insight into the hidden symphony of the universe. A galaxy cluster has so much gas that we've picked up actual sound. Here it's amplified and mixed with other data to hear a black hole.